Volume control is hidden. System launcher. Clock 4 multiply 2. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press. Notification shade. Settings. Search settings. Additional settings. Double tap to activate. Additional settings. Additional settings, navigate up. Double tap to activate. Accessibility, in list, 17 items. Accessibility. Accessibility, navigate up. TalkBack, on, in list, 18 items. When TalkBack is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use. Checked, switch, in list. Alert disabled, TalkBack. Off button. TalkBack off.